What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a brand new Dodge Ram in that's about to get a complete makeover. Saying bye to the boring white and the chrome, because chrome is ugly and it's overplayed and it looks cheap. And we're about to wrap this thing in the new Avery's, I think it's the rugged line is what they call it. It is the combat green. We just got it in. This thing is textured almost like a bed liner. Looks really, really good, especially on trucks. Don't think you'd want to wrap your car in that, but you know, to each his own. Unless you got like some off-road Subaru. That actually would be kind of dope. But we're gonna do this a little bit differently this time. So normally we do full disassembly, then we start cleaning everything up. Everything hasn't been cleaned, clay barred already, but we're gonna have to get this thing up in the air because we're sending the wheels off the powder coat, the exhaust tips, tow hook covers, literally everything on this thing that's chrome is leaving. And so we've got to wrap it a little bit differently because we got to do the roof, hood, back of the bedside. We've got to take that loose. Definitely don't want to be up in the air working around on this thing just to make sure that we don't drop it. But we're gonna go ahead and get started on this thing. If you guys have anything that y'all want to see specifically, shoot them in the comments. Let us know so we can start doing a little bit different. If you guys want to see more disassembly, more wrap, more in process, I don't know, cinematics, Wayne's job, you gotta talk to him. Let us know.
To most people, a truck isn't just a truck. It's a way of life. It takes you where you want to go and gets the hard jobs done. Here at Precision Wraps and Graphics, we understand your truck is special. Well, to you. So we want to give it that special touch that makes people say, you work hard for your truck, so we work hard for you, because that's the Precision way. Detail-oriented, applied with precision, we help you stand out from the flock because no one likes a sheep. Life's too short to blend in, so stand out. Distinguish your passion and create something special. Make a statement, forge your image, and show the world who you really are.